Hello, grade 4. Hello, my student. This is teacher Sarah Dayes from Jili Rashid School, and today we will start with a new grammar lesson. If clause. If clause has a lot of conditionals, but today we will take only zero conditional. Let's know what is zero conditional. When we use zero conditional, we use zero conditional when we want to talk about facts or things are generally true. If I have fact or generally true, I use zero conditional. Example, this is fact. Ice melts if you heat it. If I heat ice became water. So this is fact. Ice melts if you heat it. And you get water if you mix hydrogen with oxygen. If I bring hydrogen and mix it with oxygen, total we get water. Generally true. If babies are hungry, they cry. This is true. If babies are hungry, they cry. And when you touch fire, you get burned for sure. If you put your finger on the fire, you get burned. Zero conditional structure. If plus subject plus present simple, comma, subject plus present simple, or subject plus present simple if plus subject plus present simple. As you note that we can use if at the beginning of the sentence or in the middle of the sentence, but the only difference between these two sentences is that the comma. In the first sentence we use comma because I use if at the beginning of the sentence, so I put a comma. Comma is necessary. But if I put if in the middle of the sentence, I don't need to put a comma. Okay. Simple present. What is the simple present? Simple present rule is subject plus verb plus object. Subject, if the subject was he, she, it, I use the verb with s. On a negative form, he, she, it plus doesn't plus verb. He, she, it, verb with s. Negative, doesn't. But if the subject is I, they, we, you, I use verb without s. Only the verb without s. In a negative form, I, they, we, you plus don't. Don't with I, they, we, you plus don't. Okay, this is zero conditional. Zero conditional contain of two parts. The first part is if conditions, and this is if condition and the result. In zero conditional, the two part is present simple. We didn't use will. If you leave ice in the sun, comma, because I start with if condition, so the result it melts. Sometimes the result become before the condition. So the result you get wet if at the middle, so I don't use comma. You stand in the rain. If you stand in the rain. Okay. Now look at this sentence. The first sentence, this number 1, 2, 3, 4. For sentence 1, if people eat too much, they get fat. Okay. If at the beginning of the sentence, if people eat, present simple. Too much, they get present simple. Oh, this is the comma, because we will start our sentence with if. If at the beginning, if babies are hungry, they cry. Present simple. This is the comma, because we start with if. Now, ice melts when. If I put when or I put if, the same meaning. There's no difference between the meaning between if or when. This is when at the beginning of the sentence. Ice, it. And take is. Present simple. Present simple. Present simple. Melts with s. Why s? Because ice it and it take s. When you heat, present simple. But here we didn't put a comma because I used when. Here when at the beginning of the sentence, when you touch, present simple, this is the comma. Fire, you get burned, forget, and simple, present simple. So, at the end of our lesson, remember that if and when has the same meaning. The same meaning, if I use if or when, has the same meaning. We use only present simple in condition and result. This is zero conditional, and we didn't use anything and only present simple in condition and result. We don't use will in zero conditional. We don't use will in zero conditional. We use only present simple in conditional and result. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Bye. English teacher Sarah Dice.